Hello friends, welcome back to Health and Beauty Station. Friends, in this video I'm going to talk about importance of scrubbing in skincare routine. Scrubbing has got amazing benefits, and if you follow scrubbing regularly in your skincare routine, you will get nice and glowing skin. Friends, here are some amazing benefits of scrubbing in skincare routine. First benefit is it helps you to get rid of the dead skin layer on your skin. So when you exfoliate using good scrub, your skin gets purified, thoroughly cleansed and exfoliated. Friends, second benefit is when you scrub your skin, it better absorbs moisturizers, thus promotes hydration. Third benefit of scrubbing is it reduces blemishes and acne on your skin. Generally, acne is caused because of clogged pores, and when you have dead skin layer or impurities on your skin pores get clogged. So when you scrub, that all the clogged pores get open and you have less chance of getting acne and blemishes on your skin. And last but not the least, it releases stress. So when you scrub and massage your face, your body, you feel relaxed, your mind get relaxed, and you feel spa experience after scrubbing. So friends, to get all the benefits of scrubbing, you should consider scrubbing your face, your lips, your body 1 to 2 times in a week. I would suggest you to use scrubs 2 times in a week to get better results and glowing skin. Friends, I have tried different scrubs from different brands, and here I am going to share with you all the scrubs that really worked for my skin. First scrub that I am going to share is a lip scrub. This is the lemon lip scrub. This is from Good Vibes, and this is 8-gram packaging. This scrub is really good and it exfoliates your lips. This is the texture of the scrub. If you want a demo for this, I will give you the demo. It smells amazing. It has got a lemon fruity fragrance, and this scrub really works well for the lips. It exfoliates and it gives that pinky glow on the lips. Friends, now I'm going to share with you all the body scrubs that really worked well for me. This one is from Oriflame Sweden, and this is Milk and Honey Body Scrub. This is sugar scrub. It is enriched with organically sourced extracts of milk and honey. This is the biggest packaging. It has got small package as well. This is really beautiful scrub, and it exfoliates your body. It makes body smooth and supple and thoroughly cleansed, and it really works well on the body, as well as you can use this scrub on the face, because I have used it on the face and I've got amazing results. So this one is really good. Next body scrub is this Swedish Spa Salt Crystal Body Scrub. This is also from Oriflame Sweden, and it has got the salt crystals, and they are naturally sourced and they work really well on your body. It is a spa range, so you get spa experience when you use this scrub. When you massage this scrub on the body, it releases the oils that really work well to relax your body and your mind. Friends, I have also used Body Shop British Rose Body Scrub, and that also works very well on the skin. The fragrance is amazing and the granules are really gentle on the skin. So that scrub is also great for exfoliating the body. Friends, before moving on to the face scrubs category, I would like to show you the feet scrub that I have used. This is the Oriflame Sweden Feet Up Mango Infusion Mango and Ginseng Foot Scrub. This is 75 ml tube, and I have used this scrub for my feet, and it really works well on the feet. It exfoliates, it removes tanning and makes feet soft, smoother and healthy looking. Next, I will move on to the category for face scrubs, and I have so many products to recommend you all. So let's get started with the Essentials Fairness Face Scrub by Oriflame. This is a recently launched face scrub. It works on all skin types. It has got creamy consistency, very gentle granules, and it removes all dead skin cells, impurities, and makes your skin looking soft and healthy. Next face scrub that I'm going to talk about is this Body Shop Vitamin C Face Scrub. This scrub is Daily Glow Cleansing Polish, and it is enriched with vitamin C. It is 125 ml tube, and this is for dull, tired and grumpy skin. So if you are someone with dull skin, tanning skin, then you can go for this scrub. This is daily glow cleansing polish. You can use it daily because the granules are so gentle on your skin. So this gives very good glow on the skin. And next scrub that I'm going to talk about is this Novage Micro Exfoliating Scrub. This is one of the premium scrub from the brand Oriflame Sweden, and it really works well. It has got lactic acid in it. It is face scrub. This has got screw lock at the top, and the fragrance is amazing. This is one of the beautiful scrub that I have tried for the face, and it worked really well for me. Next scrub that I'm going to talk about is Essentials by Artistry. This scrub is from the brand Amway, and this is gel format scrub. It's suitable for all skin types, works really beautifully on the skin. I really loved using the Artistry range. I have tried some more products from Artistry range, and I will share my experience with you all soon. Next scrub that I'm going to talk about is the Neutrogena Visibly Clear Pink Grapefruit Scrub. This is one of the great scrub from the brand Neutrogena. It has got micro clear technology. It helps eliminate and prevent spots and blackheads with fresh, clean feel. It is 150 ml tube packaging, and if you want to know more about this scrub, I'll give you a separate demo on this. Friends, next scrub that I'm going to show you is this Optimal Scrub. This is from the brand Oriflame Sweden, and it is exfoliating face scrub. This is for all skin types, and this scrub is tube format packaging, 75 gram packaging, and it is having creamy consistency, so it suits all skin types. Next scrub that I'm going to talk about is this Kama Ayurveda face scrub. This is Kumkumadi face scrub, and this is brightening Ayurvedic face scrub. This is a beautiful scrub, and if you are someone who likes to use Ayurvedic products on the face, you can consider this scrub. This also helps to give you bright skin. Last scrub that I'm going to share is Good Vibes Strawberry Face Scrub. So this is the scrub having creamy consistency. This is one of the brand gaining so much popularity, and they have cruelty-free products. So friends, these were some scrubs that I have tried till now, and they have worked well on my skin. I would recommend scrubbing 2 times in a week to get great skin. And remember to remove your makeup before scrubbing. Friends, this was my review about the scrubs. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so that every time I upload a new video, you will get notification right away. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.